Hi, my name is Audrey Strites, and my husband Josh and I, we've lived here for 3 years now in Lock and Grin. So there was a big windstorm around here, lots of trees were down and our siding had blown off and it was broken. So that's why I started my search, because we needed to replace our siding. When I originally was searching, what stood out to me is that American Way offered James Hardie, vinyl, a lot of different options. So I reached out because I really liked the idea of being able to talk through what option would work best. So we were working with our insurance and we were kind of lost. We didn't know what we should pick or what we could go with. So that's why we reached out to get some options. 100% recommend working with American Way. When I reached out, I actually reached out to a couple other companies that never got back to me or they weren't very helpful. And then I was connected with Luke when I called, and he was so responsive and just helped us through the entire process. It was great. So loved working with him. And just the type of communication too. You know, everyone was so personable. Everyone I talked to was so nice to talk to, really helpful, and didn't make you feel like you were a burden to reach out. There's nothing to be worried about. That I would 100% recommend working with American Way. You won't be disappointed at all with the service.